how to enable auto delete messages in Telegram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable auto delete messages in Telegram, which is perfect for keeping your chats clean and private. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Telegram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in with your account. And now here, once inside the Telegram app, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on settings, and once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the settings section. Now from here, simply scroll down and tap on privacy and security. And now here under privacy and security, you can see the option labeled as auto delete messages. So simply tap on it, and now here inside the auto delete messages, you'll see different options like off, after 1 day, after 1 week, after 1 month, and set custom time. So here as of right now it's set to off, but to enable it, just select the time and you can set any options, or you can just tap on set custom time, and after that you can simply select the time that you want for your message to be deleted automatically. So here I'm going to simply select 6 days, and after that I'm going to simply tap on set auto delete. And after that you have successfully enabled the auto delete messages on Telegram app. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.